On today's episode of the Bootstrap Biz Advice Show, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom landing page on Squarespace from scratch. Imagine the ability to create your own Linktree. The codes I use in this video have been placed inside the VIP vault for free. So if you would like access to this code, other cheat sheets, checklists, and even some free stock photos, go to lashondabrown.com or click on the link in the description. Without further ado, let's hop in. Landing pages have extremely high conversion rates. So websites like Linktree are extremely popular for people looking to drive traffic from Instagram to their website or other places. The problem is you're subject to whatever happens with Linktree. In this case, I've got a broken image and it's been broken for a while. There have been reports of Linktree going down and disabling the ability for people to have Instagram followers comment on their pages. So I did a little research and I figured out how can I emulate the look of Linktree and take it to the next level for my brands. For Eye for Ebony, I built a landing page within Squarespace that includes my logo, a brief paragraph of text, some buttons, and a long image to show people the images that they will be getting for free by signing up. And for my business About 90, I created a landing page that features my logo, brief text, some buttons, and actually a video. So this is the kind of flexibility you can have if you leave sites like Linktree and build it within your Squarespace site. So I'm going to show you how I built the About 90 landing page on the Brine template. And if you want the code that I use in this video, simply sign up for the VIP vault. I've dropped a PDF in the vault with all the code you need. So I created a not linked page on my website and I named it Get Social. You can name it whatever you'd like. After that, I began to edit the page and include the information that I wanted people to see. So in my case, again, I put a logo, brief amount of text, some buttons, a video, and I actually put some buttons underneath the video. Now here's the thing. I wanted to prioritize the mobile view because this landing page is going to be featured on my Instagram account. So everything is centered and in line. And as I was building this page, I decided to reveal the phone view to make sure I liked how things would show up on a cell phone. The biggest thing was making sure that my discovery call button was essentially above the fold on a cell phone, so that people didn't have to scroll to see that button option. But then they could scroll, view the video, or select other options. So my number one call to action, again, was placed above the fold. Now, when I was building the page, to make sure that everything stayed in place, I added spacers on the left and the right. And when I was all done building that page, I hit Settings, went to the Advanced page, and added custom code to affect this page alone. So I didn't do a site-wide change. I injected the code specifically on my Get Social page. This code hides the header, the primary navigation, the secondary navigation, the branding, the footer, and the mobile bar. Because I wanted to show my full logo and not the mobile version of my logo, I decided to hide the bar completely. So the only thing that people see when they go to this page is exactly what I want to show them. Nothing more, nothing less. So again, this code is available for you within the VIP vault. I hope you found this video useful. If you would like to work with me one-on-one, you could go to this landing page, about90marketing.com/getsocial. Once you're there, obviously, you can click on Schedule a Discovery Call, fill out that form, let me know a little bit more about you, and then I will respond to that email with a link to schedule your free call. If you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to do that because I teach people how to grow their biz without breaking the bank. Until next time, ta-ta for now.